Bonjour class. This video is actually for yesterday, le 17 septembre, lundi, for those of you who are absent. When it comes to what we did yesterday for periods 4th, 6th, and 7th, we reviewed the alphabet, which is right here, okay? And we pronounced the alphabet, and then I passed out this particular handout to be glued onto page 26 of your interactive notebook. We pronounced it, and now today, le 18, we're going to hopefully have a spelling game, a competition. So we did that, and then also we started filling out the Je me présente questions, which is also located on my French Tutu Pre-AP Notes activity. We filled in these questions here with our answers. Je m'appelle would be my name is, and then of course the name. And then write your age here in word form. If you're 15, j'ai 15 ans, put it in the word form. Mon anniversaire est, you're talking about your birthday. All right. Here you're telling me where you're from. Remember that your birthday has to be written in French. It's le, and then the day, which mine would be 13 juillet. All right, and and then where you're from. One thing you like to do, so make sure that you use j'aime, and then the activity that you like to do. For me, I would put lire because I like to read. What do you not like to do? Remember here, you're going to put je n'aime pas. And any activity you don't like to do, like I don't like to go grocery shopping. Je n'aime pas faire les courses. All right? Then, qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger? Use your t-shirt activity. Tell me what you like to eat. Tell me what you don't like to eat. And if you don't remember the food, then you can look it up in word reference. Here you're describing yourself. Again, in your t-shirt activity, you should have 3 adjectives to describe yourself. So you're going to put them here. Then on number 10, you're going to talk about 2 things that you do on the weekends. And I put le weekend, je regarde le match de football américain à la télé, which means I watch football on TV. Et je vais à l'église, and I go to church. Qu'est-ce que tu ne fais pas le weekend? What do you not do on the weekends? And you can write 3 things, but really I only require you to write 1 thing you do not do. I put je ne fais pas de la fanfare because I don't do band. Je ne joue pas au foot, I don't play soccer, and I don't do grocery shopping. Je ne fais pas les courses. But there's a whole bunch of things. If you look in your ER verb notes, you have a lot of things, and you also have a lot of things in your activities notes from page 10. So go back and look. Just remember that if you're going to use one of the faire activities, that when you say you don't do or you do, you need to say je fais, not je faire, because faire is the infinitive. And remember to include this with your activity. If it's a faire verb, include fait with your activity. If it's a jouer verb, remember to include joue with your activity. All right, so this is what we did. We actually didn't finish this, but we are finishing it today. And then eventually you're going to write a paragraph from it. So that's all we did yesterday. Hopefully you'll be back today. Merci, au revoir.